size matters. This big, this maybe, or even this. The size of softbox you use does matter, and in this video we'll dive deeper into the different sizes and what they do and how they perform. For this example, we have 3 different softboxes: a 55, a 90, and a 150 centimeter parabolic softbox. We're not using any additional lighting in this test so we can properly focus on what the key light is doing. But first, a little bit of practical information. If soft light is your main focus, which it probably is because you're searching for softboxes, these rules apply. The bigger the source, the softer the light. The closer the source, the softer the light. So obviously the 150 will create the softest light on our subject. This is because the light can wrap around the subject a lot better. But that doesn't mean that these other softboxes are bad. Every lighting situation requires its own light modifier, whether you need hard light, soft light, or for example, a tight space where you cannot fit that 150 in. Let's take a look at the first example. Here we have the key light at a 45-degree angle, which creates that Rembrandt effect on the opposite cheek, and that's very popular, of course. Alright, in this first example you can clearly see the difference as we move closer with the softbox. One thing to note here is the shape on my cheek. The closer we get, the nicer the shape will be and the nicer the fall off of the shadows will be. The further away we are with the softbox, the harder the edges of the shadows are. An interesting fact is that the closer we get, the softer the skin also gets. And that's of course very useful when we're doing fashion shoots or portrait shoots. Let's take a look at this side by side. In this example, the softboxes are roughly 3 meters away. And in this one, the softboxes are as close as they can be. And as you can see, the light quality is a lot better. Alright, let's take a look at the second example, the butterfly effect. We put the light in front of us, so slightly above the camera, tipped down, and this creates a sort of a butterfly thingy under the nose. This is very popular in beauty and fashion shoots. In these fashion shoots, they often use extremely soft light sources because they of course want to hide all the wrinkles in the skin. So the softer, the better. So in this case, the bigger softbox will definitely do a better job. Let's find out. In this example, you can clearly see all the details in the skin. And as we move closer, those details fade away a little bit. They get softer and more pleasant to look at. So if you're doing fashion shoots, make sure to use a big source and place it really close by to get the best results. Let's take a look at this side by side. In the first example, we also saw that whenever the softboxes are far away, a lot of the skin is visible and also the skin tones change a little bit. As we move closer, everything just looks a little bit better, in my opinion. For the third example, we go above and beyond. Top-down light. So top-down light is very popular to create a mysterious feeling. Think of The Godfather. They use very hard top-down light to create these dark eyes and this mysterious look. But also, in my favorite scene of the film Dune, shot by Greg Fraser, he uses top light to create a very dark and mysterious scene. The thing to keep in mind here is, for example, with The Godfather, they use hard light because they wanted the dark areas. In Dune, they use a softer light to fill in those areas a little more so you can see a lot more, of course. So let's try and mount this 150 centimeter softbox, top down. When using a small softbox, the light cannot wrap around the face enough, so it creates very dark eyes. But as you go bigger, the light will wrap around the face a lot better, so it will fill in the darker areas of the face. Yes, this is a very stylistic choice, so make sure you make the right decision that fits your project. Alright my friends, so after watching this video, which softbox is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And also, if you decide to purchase one and you want to help me out, click on one of the links in the description below because they're affiliated and I'll get a little commission while it doesn't cost you any additional money. Win-win. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next Monday.